The Shiba Inu may soon see a sharp increase in price. Both the basic analysis and the chart suggest that this may be Shiba Inu's final opportunity. In this video, we'll examine the charts to provide you with a price analysis of Shiba Inu and to provide the most recent information. You thus can't afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu coins, and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart to see what the price of Shiba is doing on August 1st before moving on to our subject. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 1589 units. Shib's price has decreased 3.6% during the last day on a $215 million trading volume. With a market valuation of more than $9.3 billion, the token is now ranked as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Let's now examine a few charts and examine the Shiba Inu price analysis. We will discuss news and basic analysis later in the video. In the event that you lack extensive knowledge of this subject, I make an effort to simplify it for your benefit. So let's start by examining the Shiba Inu's tether chart. Because this chart is weekly in nature, each candlestick depicts a complete week's worth of trading activity, providing us with a comprehensive picture of the market's behavior over time. A strong support zone where the price has traditionally rebounded is shown by the gray-colored region. The price has just recovered from this level once again, suggesting that this is a good region to consider purchasing in. Additionally, a blue channel that descends illustrates the deliberate fall of Shib. Although the price has been fluctuating within this channel, a breakout is imminent. Important Fibonacci levels indicate possible places for the price to find support. It may see major gains as she breaks out of this channel and the support zone. This implies that you may get an entry in the range of 1673 to 1472 units. In conclusion, there is now a highly intriguing buying opportunity on this support block. If the price breaks out of the long term, I plan to raise my little purchases by at least 20% using dollar cost averaging on minimal leverage. Now let's examine the daily schedule. In other words, a day is represented by each candle. This Shiba Inu chart demonstrates a well-defined trading approach. Purchasing when the price rises over 1875 units is the plan. There is a significant breakout point noted at this level. You should try to grab gains at the charted levels whenever the price breaks over 1875. 2000, 2250, and 2500 units are the goals. In order for this method to be successful, Shib must also break through a resistance trend line. A blue support zone indicating solid support where the price has traditionally found a bottom is located below the breakout level. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today. Shib burn rate surges 7,000% amid Shibarium, reaching a milestone of 6 million blocks. 0001 Shib price is in view. On July 30, the Shiba Inu burn rate surged by more than 7,000% due to increased activity in the vicinity of the Shibarium network. 2.37 million Shib tokens have been transmitted to burn mall addresses in the last 24 hours, according to Shibarium. The removal of this substantial quantity of tokens from circulation is beneficial for Shib investors and the ecosystem as a whole, even if the burn rate is slowing down. This is because it deflationizes the average coin. The increased burn rate indicates that activity on the Shibarium blockchain, which just achieved a significant milestone of 6 million blocks, is on the rise. The network achieved this significant milestone when the total number of transactions on the chain topped $416 million, according to Lucianix, the marketer for Shibarium. Blockchain advancements, such as the Web3 version of the Shiba Eternity Web3 game, are driving the expansion of Shibarium. Analysts claim that Shiba seems prepared for a 120% increase. Shiba Inu, which had a 3.4% decline in the last 24 hours, is now trading at 1589 units, following the decrease seen in the larger cryptocurrency market. Shib's price activity on the 6-hour chart shows that, in spite of the brief price decline, the coin has established higher highs, indicating upward momentum. The meme currency still has opportunity to rise since selling pressure hasn't increased to the point where it would incite a negative attitude, with the relative strength index still at 54. The moving average convergence-divergence line provides more evidence of the bullish attitude around Shib. There is a chance of a trend reversal and further gains since the MACD line has crossed above the signal line. On X, expert Jonathan Carter said that a significant surge in Shiba Inu was imminent. SHIB established a falling channel, according to the expert, suggesting a possible trend reversal. The price of Shib might rise 120% to trade at 3,800 units if it breaks above this channel and smashes over the 50-day moving average. A leap like that may put Shiba Inu on course for a new record high. Analysts believe that Shib is one of the top meme coins with a high confidence rate, which is consistent with the favorable price performance. This demonstrates that investors have faith in Shiba Inu's abilities and achievements. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Now for the major narrative of today's video. The team discusses how the Shiba Inu P2 e-game might boost Shib burns. The play-to-earn collectible card game Shiba Eternity may burn more Shib tokens, according to the Shiba Inu ecosystem team. The marketing head for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Lucy, stressed that more Shiba Inu burns would result from the extensive gaming of Shiba Eternity. How Shib burns will be improved by Shiba Eternity. She predicted that as more individuals played the Web3 version of Shiba Eternity, the number of Shibarium transactions will increase. Players must use the network's gas token, BONE, to start transactions in the game since it will debut on Shibarium. This means that playing more games means using more BONE. Lucy claims that utilizing BONE to start transactions within Shiba Eternity will help burn Shib tokens. This is so that Shib may be burned using part of its fees, as Shibarium was intended to do. In addition, the marketing lead believed that greater gaming may contribute to a spike in demand for Shiba Inu's NFT Shiboshi. To play Shiba Eternity, players must have at least one Shiboshi or Shib Shiboshi, either owned or rented. It's interesting to note that Lucy described Shiba Eternity's interconnected structure as an ecosystem. Community seeks to make burns more intense. It is important to note that investors have been involved in conversations on improving Shib burning. Together with Violet Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, the community has burnt approximately 410.72 trillion Shib so far. According to Shibarium statistics, this involves the burning of 1.72 million Shib within the previous 24 hours. With the advent of Shibarium, the substantial amount of Shib has been reduced, allowing for the burning of over 56 billion Shib. The token still has 589.27 trillion in circulation after burning up approximately 410.72 trillion Shib. As a result, supporters of Shiba Inus have put up a number of measures to increase the burn rate. Nance just launched a community petition to burn Shib utilizing 1% of all Shiba Inu transaction fees collected by the exchange. The Change.org petition got 142 signatories as of July 19. However, as of the time of publication, the petition had 1083 signatories. Notably, in order to bolster its demand, the community wants to collect a total of 50,000 signatures. To now, Binance has not responded to the proposal to burn Shib by allocating 1% of trading fees for the token. Devotees will hold out hope that Shib Forever might support Shib burning in the absence of Binance's reaction. Players who have invested their leash tokens on SHIBASWAP may access the game, which is now in closed beta testing. After that, before the general public participates in the beta testing, the team will provide access to Shiboshi and Shiboshi holders, because they trust the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of Shib. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.